you guys doing? Hey, check it out. It is a wet and dreary day today, but we're gonna make a day of it because this is gonna be a little bit of a different kind of video, as all the videos are always different. I'm going to go, actually not just me, but the missus is with me too, see? We're gonna go and meet one of you guys, okay? And I'm really looking forward to this. This guy contacted me last night and said that he was traveling through, but I wasn't able to make his acquaintance, but he's in New Orleans right now, and we got to talking back and forth by email, and we're gonna get together and just shoot the bull, go to lunch. What's unique about this, I know there's a bunch of you guys that watch the channel, and a bunch of you guys who have been around a long time, but this guy here, I've been wanting to meet for a long time, and I never thought I'd ever get to meet him. I mean, every one of you guys means something, and you're all just as important. But this guy's been around since before I even had 50 subscribers, and people join and then they jump ship, but this guy's just been there the whole time. I never thought I'd get to meet the guy, and he told me that they are traveling across the country. I don't even know where he's from. He just happened to be passing through, but anyway, we got to talking. He's going to meet us at Slidell Harley Davidson. And what do you think, Mrs.? You excited too?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's always interesting to meet new people, especially folks that you've come to know by way of the internet. And yeah, so it ought to be interesting.
Yeah, so until we get there, we'll see you guys there. And I hope I get to put him on camera. He may not like that, I don't know. But I would think he would at least expect that I'd have a camera with me. But we'll see what happens. Okay guys, I think we see him. According to his Instagram, he's driving a red Chevrolet van that just pulled up right out there. So I wonder if they're gonna come in. Maybe we ought to walk out to him. What do you think?
Let's give him a minute.
We're gonna give him a minute.
Give him just a minute.
Okay, here he is. This is Brandon, right? And his YouTube name in the comments is Shredder Youngblood. That's what it is. And this guy's been around a long time, and this is his lovely missus. What's your name?
Amira.
Amira. They're doing the Nomad thing, and they got quite the ride when they pulled up. As one heck of a... What year is that van you got, man?
87.
87 Chevrolet or GMC?
Chevy G20.
Got a lot of miles on it, or is it just completely restored?
Just under 89,000 miles on it.
Wow, and never been into the motor?
No.
No, wow. Pretty dependable truck though, huh? That's pretty cool.
Lucky.
Well, anyway, without any further ado, we're just gonna go and find something to eat. These guys are freaking starving, and they're in a strange place they've never been. We're gonna get some Louisiana food, and I'm gonna put Yammer in my hammer, and we're gonna go fill our tummies, all right? See you guys in a minute. I see you gotta wear a mask or some crap like that, but anyway, I got a t-shirt, so I hope it's good enough. Okay, done that costume.
And the Cajun, a lot of people like the stuffed catfish as well. It comes with crab meat.
We're just helping them interpret the menu because they've never been here before. And it's fun. They're really going to enjoy it. It's going to knock the socks off. What do you think?
I think they're going to love it. And if they don't love it, we can order something else that they will love. So.
Oh, yeah. Well, how can you not love Cajun food, you know?
Right.
I'm going to do the crab cake and shrimp pasta.
All right.
I'm gonna have the seafood pasta.
Okay.
Stuffed catfish.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
I'll take this.
There we go.
There you go.
Now that looks delicious. Okay, fast forward. Dinner is done. And now for a torture. The missus already had a bite. How is it? Excellent. I don't believe you. I'm gonna try it.
Well, let me get it for you.
Good.
Very dangerous, right? Dangerous food.
Here you go.
Put you in a coma. Okay, well that was good. We're all stuffed, we're full, we're going to go into a food coma. Bread pudding was awesome. I think Brandon and Amira are quite impressed, right?
Perfect.
I'm just digging it, man. You're on the highways, you're just going where you want, you're not held back by anything at all. And basically you're literally going, well, we're just going that way, end up where we're gonna end up. That's about right, huh?
That's about right.
So who's the brains behind this? You or her?
I think it's her.
More her?
Yeah, I don't think I would have just talked about it and I wouldn't have done it unless it was for her.
So she's the one that gave you that whole...
Exactly.
I know he said they're traveling around in their van. He's already told us lots, but you guys haven't heard it. We'd like to hear from the horse's mouth what's going on. So what's with these bicycles?
So I used to ride BMX. So I haven't rode in a long time, but I threw a bike together out of used parts. And I figured maybe we'll ride around a little bit. And we got her brother's old bike, so maybe eventually we'll cruise around somewhere.
Basically, when you get bored sitting in one spot, you just get on the bicycle and...
Exactly.
Yeah.
We've been doing some skateboarding at some skate parks. She wanted to learn how to skate, so I'm trying to get back into it.
So tell me again about the van again.
It's a 1987 Chevy G20.
Okay.
It took me about a year to find this van because I had an idea of what I wanted. I was looking and looking and looking, and everything that would pop up would be like gone in an instant. So I got lucky with this one. I had to drive to New Hampshire to get it from Pennsylvania, and went up there. We checked it out. We were back and forth. It was kind of a lot of money, but the price of the vans have just went up because of the popularity.
You've converted it into a living space too, right?
Yes.
Can we take a tour of it?
Check it out.
Yeah, okay.
I got a cabinet, which I got for free. So I got a sink up here. Hand pump.
Oh, check that
Shoots out
out.
water, yeah.
So that's your septic right there?
Here's my bathroom. We haven't used it yet, luckily.
Yeah, that would be quite an ordeal.
This paneling was originally in it. I took out the two seats that were back here on the carpet, put a new piece of plywood down. I got this flooring free from a guy at work, put that in here, built these benches.
Okay, so you built this and you just put this foam up here, you got a whole bed, right?
Yep, and then this comes out if you want to make it benches. So we store everything underneath there, clothes and tools and stuff.
If I wasn't riding motorcycles, I'd be wanting to do like what this guy's doing right here. I mean, you got a freaking house on wheels, and as long as you just detach yourself from the popular trend and the culture saying more is better and just able to be satisfied with what you got, you can do what you're doing, right? Basically?
Yes, but it's easier said than done.
Saying just cutting all ties from what you know.
Right.
It's a scary thing, right?
Yeah, it is.
It's scary to leave what you know because it's venturing outside that box, you know, getting outside your comfort zone.
It's an adventure for sure, and it's been fun so far. I got to see some friends I haven't seen in a while. Making a new friend from YouTube here, just from making comments. And
yeah, like I said, this guy has been on the channel for a long time. Shredder Youngblood. I recognize that name every time I see it, and every time I see him, like as the time goes on, especially today, last time he commented on the video, I was like, wow, that guy's still here. There's a lot of names I don't see anymore. Either they got tired of me. I don't even know why they even watch my stuff. I can't stand to look at me. But this guy's still here, you know, that's really cool. And I know there's a bunch of you other guys that are still here too, and you're just as important. You guys are awesome. And I mean, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. But this is just exciting for me to actually get to put a face to the name, you know, not to meet you just digitally, but in person, you know. It's exciting, you know. I don't know if you're excited, but
I am.
Because I wouldn't be excited to meet me, but but I'm excited to meet this guy.
It's good to make new friends, you know. You lose a lot of friends as you get older, and so it's hard to make new ones as you get older also.
Yeah, it is. I think the missus has made a friend.
Hi. Yes.
That's about that, guys. So it is what it is, and I hope you enjoyed this content. I know it's totally different than what's normal. Of course, I don't ever make anything that's normal. If anything I made was normal, no doubt that nothing would be interesting. So I have no idea what I'm going to film next, but I hope it's interesting enough to keep your attention. So anyway, as always, you guys get the rubber side down, and you be good to yourselves. Thanks a lot.